Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video. In today's video, we're going to look at the portraits that we can get from this very low-cost Lightdow 85mm f1.8 manual focus lens, which has a Nikon mount and which I have attached to my Panasonic S5 using a K&F concept Nikon to L mount lens adapter. Now, it's possible to find this lens with other brands on it as well. This one is the Lightdow, but several years ago it was marketed with the Vivitar brand in their Series 1 line of lenses. Other branding includes Jintu, Andua and Opteka, amongst others. I bought this lens new just over a year ago for under $70 US because I wanted to try it out with natural light portraits. Let's go outside with a model with my Panasonic S5 and the Lightdow 35mm f1.8 manual focus lens attached to it to see if I wasted my money or not. Okay, so here we are outside. It looks like it's going to rain, so we're going to take a few photos then with the Lightdow 85mm f1.8 manual focus lens. And I'm lucky enough to have with me today as our model for this session, the lovely Valeria.
Hi.
Please don't forget to check out her Instagram account, which you can see here on the screen. Okay, so we're going to try and get some nice natural light poses here with our model for today, who's Valeria, and I'm going to be using obviously manual focus, so I need my focus peaking. Una cosa mía, Okay, so that was video footage from the shoot itself. After my conclusion as to whether or not I wasted my money on this lens, I will include a few selected edited images. Well, for less than $70 US, I would say that I got myself a real bargain. I love the bokeh and also the pastel creamy look that this lens produces in the images. True, it is a bit soft around the edges, but this gives a more natural look to the portraits. Okay, so it is a manual focus lens, which means that you have to manually focus for every shot that you want to take. But with today's advanced focus peaking, that's not really difficult. And it adds a little bit more fun to the shoot because you actually created the image yourself by focusing the way you wanted to focus it. Now, the lens barrel is a plastic material, and in the box there is also an extremely cheap looking lens bag. But that's not a problem. I don't need a lens bag. For a couple of euros, we can buy a nice neoprene lens bag on Amazon or on AliExpress. The lens comes with a screw on and screw off lens hood, and it has a filter size on the lens hood of 72mm, but when you take off the lens hood, the filter size is now 55mm. The minimal focusing distance is about 85 centimeters, which is a comfortable distance to work from for portrait photography. As you can see in this B-roll, it does have strange f-stop markings, which are not uniform with other traditional lenses. But again, that really isn't a problem. So all in all, I'm very happy with the Lightdow 85mm f1.8 manual focus lens. It's not a lens that I will use every day, but it is most certainly a lens which I will use again. You'll find affiliate links to products used and mentioned in this video in the description section down below. If you decide to buy something through one of my affiliate links, the price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission which will help me to continue creating content for you here on this channel. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please do leave them in the comment section down below. I answer all the comments which my viewers leave, and interacting with the channel helps me to know what type of content you find interesting. Well, as I said before, I'm very happy with my Lightdow 85mm f1.8 manual focus lens. To be honest, I'm quite surprised at the quality of the images for the low cost that this lens has. Well, if you liked this video and you found it interesting, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. Until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.